Hi, it's Chris. I'm here at Bathpool Park near Kids Grove on a frosty Monday morning. I've just come to have a look at the new haircastle tunnel for the railway. It was built in the 1960s because the old one wasn't big enough for electrification. So I thought I'd just come down and see how close I can get to it. It's a very quiet place, Bathpool Park is. It always reminds me of a young girl that was murdered in 1975. The bloke they called him the Black Panther. He put her down one of the drains and ended up hanging her. And like I say, it always don't like this place at all, really. It always reminds me, it was 1975. I was just left school, so I don't come here that often, but I just wanted to look at how close I could get to the tunnel. Like I said, there's another, the old one was it's about half a mile away. It was closed down because it wasn't big enough for electrification. And there's a good view of the new one. Zoom in on it. Constructed in the 60s. First time I've come down to look at it. So we're on the Manchester to Stoke line. It's a very eerie place, this is. Just over there, there's the old tunnels. I think a train's coming through now. I can hear one anyway. There it is. Going to Stoke-on-Trent from Manchester. I say it's I've heard such a lot about the old haircastle tunnel. I've been down to it myself. I just thought I'd come and see if I could find the one that's used now. We've had a blue sky. We've had nothing but rain for the last few days, so it's nice to get out to do a bit of walking. I can't hear a soul round here. So there's the tunnel. There's two tunnels, old tunnels. There's a shorter one. They all end up in the same area. Very slippy underfoot. So there's been quite a bit of frost, and all that rain is frozen. Just go down to see if we can get to have a quick look at the old one. It's just under a mile long, somewhere down here in these woods. I have been down to it, but this entrance is locked up. Leaves on the ground. Well, they're soaking the sludge up a bit, so they're doing quite a good job. I'm trying to find where the old tunnel is. I say it always reminds me of that murder. That poor girl had a horrific death. Just over here somewhere. The footpaths, my feet are skidding. Just over the other side of here, if we can get to it. Trouble with the towpaths now, we've had that much rain, we just sludged up. There's the car park. I think there's a way up here. Let's just go up this bit of a bank here. Sound frightened of slipping. There, we made it. Should be able to see it soon. There's the old cutting down there. Not doing much of my trainers, the sludge isn't. Nearly there. There he says there's the old one. I'm not going down, it's far too sludgy. Zoom in on it. There it is. Spooky down there. So I hope you have a great day. Keep subscribing and give me the thumbs up. Thank you.